Could war elephants decide the outcome of a battle? Imagine yourself on an ancient battlefield, the roar of hooves, the screams of warriors, and suddenly giant elephants with towering platforms on their backs are charging towards you. Your horses panic, your soldiers tremble. War elephants in ancient times were both weapons of victory and sources of chaos. Their massive size and strength could smash through enemy lines, trample infantry, and destroy defensive structures. But their power was also their weakness. Elephants were difficult to control. If they panicked, they could turn and trample their own troops. Opponents quickly learned this and used clever tactics, the screams of pigs, fire, or strikes to the elephant-sensitive areas. And most importantly, they were expensive. Training, feeding, and maintaining these giants required vast resources.